and that is countless. And I mean, it's massive. 44, 45, 40, I think it's 44 they're saying is dead. But first they said 45. The report right now officially is 44 are dead across America. 10 people died in Tampa Bay, Florida. And this storm went way north of Tampa Bay, but it was so big, it was so huge as it was going through the Gulf. And so people in Tampa Bay didn't think they were going to get hit. People down in Fort Myers and people in Tampa Bay, they didn't think they were going to be affected really. And so the media didn't really give them enough preparation. I know BP Earthwatch was. We kept telling everyone this thing was going to be huge. It was going to be massive. It was going to be destructive. We can't stop it. Only can do is prepare people. But so what happened is, as this storm was going through the Gulf of Mexico, and it was 540 miles wide, it caused the tide to come into Tampa Bay at high tide, creating massive flooding. People did not evacuate along the coast because they didn't think they had to. And 10 people died just in Tampa Bay. There's 44 people dead, and that death toll is expected to rise. There's 3.5 million people still without power in these 10 states. It's unbelievable. Matter of fact, I went over and looked at the map. Now, Florida has done a great job because at one point there was over 2.2 million customers without power. That is now down to 461,000. I mean, Governor Ron DeSantis knows how to handle devastating tragedies. He's phenomenal at it. But he has miraculously got the number down from 2.2 million without power to 461,000. But here's the problem. Georgia has still got 774,000 without power. South Carolina has 1,063,000 without power. North Carolina has 606,000 without power. Virginia has 187,000 without power. Kentucky has 130,000 without power. Ohio has 206,000 without power. Tennessee has done a remarkable turnaround, but they still got 54,000 without power, but they've got massive destruction. West Virginia has 68,000 without power, and even the state of Indiana has 58,000 without power. 10 states, 3.5 million people as I'm talking to you, as this massive monster Category 4 hurricane crashed into the Big Bend area of Florida. It did devastation all over. And then the rain, especially Asheville, North Carolina, outside of Knoxville, Tennessee, floods, landslides, rain, and the flooding is not over. I mean, there was places that got 30 inches of rain. There was places that got, 24 inches of rain, 18 inches of rain. It was insane. This hurricane of biblical proportion, apocalyptic, has swamped neighborhoods, triggered mudslides, threatened dams. There's a dam in Tennessee right now about ready to go. The water is roaring over top of it and around it. It's about ready to take that dam down.